Alam mo si former President Duterte, ilang beses siya na sumumpa sa Philippine Constitution as mayor, as congressman, as president. Sabi niya, he will defend and protect the Philippine Constitution. No? Sa oath of office siya ng every public official. Ngayon, ang saligang batas natin, nakasabi doon na the Philippine state shall protect its marine wealth in its exclusive economic zone and reserve its use and enjoyment exclusively for Filipinos. Yung Philippine state shall protect its marine wealth in its exclusive economic zone and reserve it exclusively, the use and enjoyment exclusively to Filipino citizens. When he was president, pinamigay niya yung ating isda sa exclusive economic zone. Marine wealth yan eh. Sabi niya, pinayagan ko yung Chinese fishermen to fish in the exclusive economic zone. Pinayagan ko mangisda sa West Philippine Sea, exclusive economic zone natin yan. Eh yung China has the biggest fishing fleet in the world. Pinakamalaking fishing fleet. So inubos nila yung galunggong. Yung mga mangingisda natin, bumaba yung gulunggong na nahuli nila. So, napilitan tayo bumili, mag-import ng galunggong from China. At kaya tumaas yung galunggong. Natapos yung presidency niya, dumoble ang presyo ng galunggong from the time naging presidente siya, no? From the time he became president to the time he left office, dumoble ang galunggong ang presyo.